Hello, everybody. How's it going? I spilled water all over myself right before the stream because that's what happens some days. You know, you just need something. No headset. We're getting there. Peabody Codes. How are you doing? Is my chat not working? My chat is not working. Hold on. This vision is so invisible. I thought it would be a little weird to just start the stream with the headset on. Do I need to restart the stream, the whole stream? Just say, hey, here's the headset. I can do that. We'll go back to. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's just frozen. There we go. Don't think you've ever seen me without a hat on, Matt? That's probably true, actually. Okay, hold on. Never mind. I'm trying to get back, but I also need to get the app. My overlays working, which apparently is just not happening. So hold on. We'll get there. Twitch alerts. Build. We'll just build and run it. It'll be fine. It's a little weird to get this working through here, but yeah. Yeah, no, it turns out the hat doesn't work too well with the Vision Pro. So you gotta like pull it up over. Doesn't work. We need a crash Emacs points reward. I think that would be too much of a disruption. All right, let's try this. Do we have it running? We don't have it running. Let's get it running. All right, we should have people, we should have chat overlays working now. I don't know. We might. Test. Hey, there we go. Okay, cool. Let's get started. All right. Yes, today. Hold on, we're still not done. Jesus. Jeez. Let's try one more time. Just said to Doug that you weren't wearing the hat. Thanks for the explanation. Yes. Let's see the magic. Okay, let's get going. Everybody wants to see the magic. Let's do it. All right. Are we there? Did we get it? Perfect. There's too much screaming going on. I don't know what's happening. All right. There we go. Maybe. I still don't have this quite tightened enough. There we go. All right. If you were around in my stream earlier today.
In the future, hats go over your eyes.
In the future, hats go over your eyes. Well, the Vision Pro does come with a beanie for the Vision Pro. Looks like this. You just go like that. And now I can't see anything that's going on. So, that doesn't work as well. All right, let's back out for a second. I'm trying to keep up with everything that's going on. All right, Escamina has some stuff. Ooh, it says I can connect to my laptop. I've never seen that before. We're gonna stop for a second. Eaglemont, did you just snooze the ends? I didn't know you had the ability to do that. All right. So yeah. Hello, Mono. What are we doing? The people need to see this. Yeah. I need to find a way to put chat into the Vision Pro. I think that this is important. So that might be what we work on today. Never seen before was a nice phrase for something you received today. Never seen before was a nice. I don't know. I don't even know what we're talking about. Yeah. Let's get that. Oh yeah. I've never seen the Connect video working. Yes, this is true. I haven't seen that until just a minute ago.
Daft Punk in this stream tonight. Woo.
Daft Punk, yes. All right, so the first thing that I think I need to do, and we'll see if we can get this to work. We're gonna try to, I need to turn this down, which means I might not actually be able to see chat very well, but I'm gonna put it over on this screen. We're gonna try getting this to stream so that you all can see it. And I've tried to clean up my desk at least a little bit, but we'll find out what we get. So hold on. All right, I think you all should now be able to see what I see. Yeah, there we go. All right. Can't see eyes, add Pikachu's eyes. I couldn't figure out how to get the eyes working. I really couldn't. I don't know what's going on. Seasick. Honestly, let me know if I need to turn this off because it might be a little ridiculous. But, hey, you know, we've spent all this time working on this. Why don't we get Kineo open? That's what we've been working on this whole time. Let's test it out. I said, let's get Kineo open. There we go. I don't know why it didn't work that time. Let's pull it up a little bit closer so y'all can see it. I may need to back away myself. So yeah, here's the app that I've been building for the last couple months. Maybe. Come on. There we go. Let's get that scaled like that. It starts like this and ends up on a paintball field. Yeah, I really am going to need to find a way to put chat into this because otherwise we might be in trouble. I don't know how I erase stuff. I had it working. So there's drawing stuff. That works. Yeah, there we go. There's erasing stuff. Okay. So I don't know how much y'all can see my hands either. So I may try to exaggerate moving the hands. So we're going to go down into the tool picker. We're going to pick the red marker. We've got a couple different pages here. Let's actually start from scratch. Let's delete these pages. I need to move the microphone up too, I can tell. I don't think I gave anybody the ability to delete the first page. So got the first page there. So yeah, let's draw a little ball. And let's go to the new page. And so yeah, I've already discovered a couple different things that I need to fix. One of which is that the overlays sit quite a bit far in front of the oh, I screwed that up. Quite a bit further in front of the view than where they're supposed to be drawn at. So I need to fix that. I heard a noise. I don't know where that noise came from though. Chat is happening. Can you play Power Wash with Vision Pro? Not as far as I know. Can you run multiple apps at the same time? Yes, you can. Here, let's do that. So we've got Vision Pro, or we've got Kineo open. Let's open. Oops. Let's open. What do we got? I'm trying to think of things that aren't gonna have all my own personal content in here. I mean, Safari right now is just open to Amazon, I think. Yeah. Okay. I ordered some meat sticks. Y'all get to learn that. Let's open a new page and just go to Google, right? Hooray, Google. Yeah, so you can have Safari open. Let's pull it closer to us. I don't have a lot of space on this desk, so we're gonna put that there. And so yeah, I can have Kineo open and I can have that open at the same time. I can't read the chat anymore. I need like a time to debate if the plate on the desk is actually a bowl or not. I was gonna say I don't have a plate on my desk, but bowl. Yes, I do have some Skittles over here. My emergency Skittles. I also have some olives because I was told that I do have to eat something in the Vision Pro on stream. I don't remember why we decided that that was important. I think opening the olives might be the harder part. Eating them is not an issue at all. Hooray, snack olives. Who eats olives like that? I do. That's what they're there for. They're olives to go. They're sliced snacks. What else were we doing? Yeah, so I've discovered a couple different issues with the app so far. One of which is that overlay. One of which is it's really easy to get into that state of the view appears over. Yeah, the toolbar appears over everything like that. So I need to fix that. Undo and redo still don't work. That's a bummer. Other than that, it actually works better than I expected, considering, you know, I haven't had the ability to do anything. This works just fine. I'm able to pick different layers, and it works great. So I can draw in front of things, or I could if I had something other than the eraser picked. Maybe. There we go. Sometimes Pencil Kit doesn't want to behave, and that's not my fault. There's nothing I can do about that. The other fun part is if I pull this way up close to me, maybe, I can actually just draw on it with my finger. And then I don't need to do any of the stuff. I can just hit that. There we go. We can erase everything. Go back to, oops, not that one, to our layers. We can pick that layer. We can come back with our eraser. Yep, done. Done. See, I told you that it's very easy to get into that state. Erase that. So that actually works really well. I think we can do something similar with Safari. I can pull that forward and I can actually just scroll it with my fingers. Refresh things. Does it feel living in the future? Eagle Knot, Ask Wano, and Z. This week I brought Olives to Go too. It's a game changer. Exactly. These are great. I also put them in salads. You just take this and you throw it in a salad. It's perfect. Get a little bit of spinach. Get a little bit of olive oil. It's fantastic. Did Apple approve the app as in it's on the App Store? It is. That's actually where I got this from. I have not gotten this hooked up to Xcode yet. So that might be something that we have to do later. But I did, in fact, get this out of the App Store. So, the App Store up here. Unfortunately, I did not make it into Apple's featured apps, so you do have to go search for it. Actually, I want to try something first. Let's get out of here. You go away. Let's close that. Close that. Let's just go to Kineo on the browser. This keyboard sucks, but I have a Bluetooth keyboard. And it does not have, it can't hold any battery life. And so I can't take it anywhere. So I'm going to need to get a new Bluetooth keyboard for this as well. But we're going to open that up and that should, oh, that actually just opened the app because we have the app installed already. So let's go down to download on the App Store. And that should link us straight to the app, and it doesn't. That's a bummer. Okay, we're going to need to look into that. But for now, let's just go download it this old-fashioned way. Oh wait, why am I searching .app? Just Kineo Flipbook animations. And here it is. So yeah, this is it on the App Store. Has not received enough ratings or reviews. I wonder if this counts as a... It shouldn't count as a different URL, so... I don't know what to do, yeah. I'm definitely need to redo my screenshots, because these screenshots kind of suck. But, you know, I'm not a graphic designer. I just play one on Twitch. What's the first day downloads like? I don't think we have that information yet. I don't have any analytics in the app itself, so I don't know. From that end, I don't have a measurement of what... I don't have that measurement, so I'm going to have to wait until tomorrow when we get the actual sales numbers from Apple. Not a graphic designer, builds graphic design app. Yeah. Somebody also called me out on that on YouTube, because there's the video that shows up when you first launch the app on YouTube, and they're like, bro, why didn't you hire somebody that can draw? Man. Why you gotta be like that? But no. I commented back because this is no fun that way. You know, it's more fun to work as somebody who can't draw. Roasted, yeah. Publicly. Yeah, no, it happens. Yeah, I can't draw. It's been the great irony of Kineo all my life, all Kineo's life. Yeah, no, I make a drawing app, but I can't draw. YouTube brings out the rude ones. I think that might actually be the first rude comment that I've gotten on YouTube, which is amazing. Yeah. So yeah, I definitely need to fix this branch. I don't know how well you guys can tell it, but it's like that far. Oh wait, that far away from each other. I don't know how to describe it. They obviously haven't seen your Texan masterpiece. This is true. All they saw was the daisy and the bouncing ball. So that's not a lot of content to be using. What else do we want to see? Do we want to try getting this hooked up to Xcode? Try actually building something for it? Oh, the other thing I need to test out. I need to test out what spatial video looks like. Actually, I probably shouldn't do that on stream. Do it? Yeah, okay. So let's get this built into Xcode. I think I'm going to take this out of this mode. Because if I turn on the screen on my MacBook, you're just going to get this infinite hall mirror effect. And I don't want to do that. So let's take this off. I've tried both of the straps at this point. The solo band and the dual band, and I actually think I like the solo band better. I know a lot of people have said that the dual band is more comfortable, the one that goes over the head and behind the head. I actually disagree. I think I like the solo band. How is it for no glasses? You just need yours for distance. So I did get the inserts, and Compile Swift asked this question earlier, and I did not have an answer for him at this time, or at that time, but I have an answer now. So if he's not here, he's just not going to get the answer. Is this the one with your prescription lenses? It is. So I can just pop them out like this. Who's Compile Swift? I'm sorry, Compile Dev. Yeah, you can just pop them out like this. And then I'm trying to see if you can see that on stream. They just magnetically insert back in there. You just set them in and they go snap, and they go right in. There's a lot of different pieces that are magnetic to this. So let me actually take this apart again. So we got the little hoodie for it. Maybe you were talking about Compile Swift. No, I was not. There's a cushion on here, a little tiny cushion that goes on there. They come with two different ones in the box. One's just a little bit more padding than the other. I definitely was feeling after like an hour and a half, I was feeling like, oh, this is hitting my face too hard. I put the other cushion that they gave you on in there. It's a little bit more padding, and that is significantly more comfortable. So definitely prefer this cushion over the original cushion they gave me. So I'm going to take that off. That magnets onto this piece, which is the actual light seal, and that also comes off. So that's there. There's only one of these, and that just covers everything. Comforter rear, yes. And then yeah, that actually gives you a better sense of the lenses. I'm sorry that I keep rubbing this against the microphone. These are the lenses right here, so they just come on and off. Oops, like that, and they snap right back on. So those are all those pieces, and then the band itself, you can see these little orange tabs. You just pull on the little orange tabs, and that's how that disconnects. I don't believe I have my other band with me right here. Let me take a look real quick. Have you tried without the lenses? Yes, because they made me do the fit test at Apple Store without the lenses, and I can't see a goddamn thing. Without the lenses, it is absolutely useless to me. So yeah, definitely need the lenses. I think I've talked about this in the Discord and a couple of different other places. The lenses that I have on my glasses are too strong for the Vision Pro, basically. Zeiss sent me an email after trying to buy the Vision Pro in the first place. They're like, nah, man, you don't get this. I don't know. I can hold this up to the camera. I honestly can't tell if you all can see anything from that. But they're like, nah, man, this is too much. So I ended up going to my optometrist and being like, hey, I'm just outside the margin for the Vision Pro. Can you get me a... Can I get a prescription that is like specific to the Vision Pro, that is just inside what they want? And so I have a second prescription for the Vision Pro. However, the Apple Store, probably for HIPAA reasons or something, won't take a prescription at the Apple Store to do the fit test. What they'll do is they're like, hand us your glasses and we'll scan your glasses in this little machine and then we'll give you those values. And I was like, that's not going to work. I had my lenses in my hand. I had the prescription lenses that Zeiss gave me. And I was like, can you scan these instead? No, we can't. We can't do anything with that. We need your glasses. I was like, this is not going to work. Sure enough, they took it and they're like, hey, that didn't work. So then they were like, okay, well, we can do the fit test. We can't put your lenses into the demo Vision Pro that we have here for unknown reasons. So you're just going to have to do this fit test with no lenses. And yeah, no, I put it on. They're like, what can you see? And I'm like, I see a shape that's probably vaguely Vision Pro shapes. I see something that is wider than it is tall. It wasn't great. Not a great experience. So yeah, I basically didn't get to see anything in the Vision Pro until I got it home and put my lenses in it. So all right, what are we doing? We are trying to get this working in Xcode. So I think did somebody post it? Hang on. I'm going to need to secret mode. I think somebody posted this to a Slack that I'm in and not anywhere that I can open on stream. Yeah, here's the answers. Okay, so we're going to quit Slack again. Does the appearance of Vision Pro today mean that spring is only 6 weeks away? Man, it's already spring here in Seattle. This is great. All right, struggling to figure out how to pair your Vision Pro with Xcode. On your Apple Vision Pro, open Settings, General, Remote Devices. On your Mac, open Xcode, go to Devices and Simulators, and click Pair. Okay, so we're going to need to start on the Vision Pro, it sounds like. We'll get that working. General remote devices. On your Mac, open Xcode, go to devices and simulators, and click pair. All right. We're going to turn the screen back off so that we can go back into the matrix. Oh, I was like, I can't see anything. I forgot to take the cover off. Hey! That works a lot better. All right, y'all should be able to see stuff again now. So I should have put this on somewhere else. Does anybody remember what that said? It was like settings, general, remote devices. Oh, geez. Why are so many things open? Hold on. Crap. Okay. All my windows were upstairs. That's why I couldn't get Kineo open earlier. Okay. General remote devices. Is that where we are? Yeah, there we go. Ready to pair. This device is now discoverable and able to pair with your Mac. Well, I can't do that while it's viewed. Okay, hold on. I need to get back out of here. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, don't play music. Okay, let's get this back up. Okay, so it says your device is now discoverable and available to pair your Mac. So let's go into Xcode and let's open a Vision Pro project like Kineo. More brighter. And I guess devices and simulators. Why do I have 2 Apple Watches? I'm assuming that this is not the Vision Pro that I need. Oh, maybe it is. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay. And it disappeared. There it is. Apple Vision Pro. Jeez. Got my glasses right here and I can't, like, touching them instead of doing anything with the computer. Okay. So we got our Apple Vision Pro here. What does it say? Connecting to Apple Vision Pro? Waiting to reconnect? Checking developer mode. Well, I'm definitely not in developer mode. So that's probably something I need to change too. I can't read what this text says. Preparation error. Developer mode disabled. Okay, so yeah, let's go find developer mode. When developer mode is turned on, restart your device, blah, blah, blah. Oh god, everything's dark. I can't see anything. I rebooted the device, and now I can't see. I have no idea how long it's going to take to reboot to the point that I can see again. Where's my water bottle? Did I put it on the floor? Yeah, I did. Hey, I'm starting to get gray at least. It's like pulsating gray. Oh, there's an Apple logo. Okay. Mocha attack now. He's vulnerable. Turn on developer mode. Yes, turn on developer mode. Let's see your persona. One of the people that was in the chat earlier has already seen the persona. Actually, a couple people have. No, only one person has. One person heard my first persona described. That was Peabody Codes. I'm not sure how to share my persona. Can I do that in here? Hold on. If I can get to it in settings, then I'll do it. Optic ID not recognized. It won't let me go because it doesn't recognize my retinas anymore. Optic ID is required to view and edit your... But why can't you understand my eyes anymore? Try tightening it a little bit better. There we go. Okay. I just needed to tighten it a bit more, apparently. Oh, yeah. Okay. You can see it. All right. Let's well, there you go. Perfect, right? Just looks so great. So good. Oh, man. Hey, you know what? It's something. It works, I guess. I really don't like that. Like, I had to take my glasses off, so it's just like these virtual fake glasses. Don't love that. But, yeah, there you go. Trying to close this. There you go. There you go, Matt. All right. How do I get out of home so that I can actually see what's going on? What is the persona used for? That's what shows up whenever you're on camera. So if you're doing a FaceTime or a Zoom or whatever, that's what that's for. So, I don't know if Coach Connie is still in the chat, but I FaceTimed Coach Connie earlier. She got to see it. Copying stored cache, 17%. So we're gonna wait for that to finish, I guess. Hang on, I gotta take this off again. Did Coach Connie find that cool or creepy? You're gonna have to ask her. So it definitely limits a lot of the light that you get into your eyes. I don't know why I worded that so weird. So going from wearing that to being back out here where I've got the studio light for streaming purposes, it is, I got to blink a few times. That one is definitely extreme. I'm texting Coach Connie so she can answer you. Yeah, we're just going to have to wait for this to finish. I would like to be able to get the chat overlay in here. I think that would be cool. I don't know what all I need to do that. We're all asking questions because we're all jealous? Yeah, no. That's great. It's great that you're jealous. I don't know. No, I'm happy to answer questions. But yeah. I'm just trying to get Coach Connie to also answer questions. Hey, thank you for the sub, Justin Kicker. You didn't feel like driving over the border? Since you're the only dev working on apps, you need the coffee. Thank you. Yeah, no, we're trying to get it running on actual device so we can see what the debugging experience is like. But we gotta wait for this countdown to go from 32. Already stopped wearing the headset? Compile dev. I've been wearing the headset for 42 minutes. And then I took it off because we're doing this thing. Your favorite part of development. Sitting and waiting while we copy shared cache symbols. So yes, I took the headset off so that I could read these tiny little numbers. Red mark on the forehead, or it didn't happen? Yeah, no, I was saying I switched the cushions on it. And it stopped making quite so much red marks. So yeah, I got the thicker cushion on here. The plus cushion. And it's definitely significantly more comfortable. There's Coach Connie. Coach Connie. You've seen some Area 2 speed for that. What's funny is, like, it's just transferring locally. It's not even downloading off the internet. Coach Connie, Twitch chat wants to know, was chatting with the fake avatar creepy or cool or creepy was the words. There's two different things that you can show on FaceTime. You can show the avatar, and then you can show just what you see. And what you see was basically, I think, what I was just streaming. I don't know. I didn't see the other end of it. And I think the latter is definitely way cooler. You know, especially when you got the cats out. You get the cats out, and I'm like, hey, you know what? Your vision is just going to be watching me pet the cat. That's all that's going to happen. It's not made from Apple's micropaper watch straps. It is not. It's nice and plushy. Do I have the other strap in here? Hold on. Yeah, here it is. So this is the standard band. And then I put on the other band, but I was saying, like, I think I actually like the standard band better. It looks nicer and it's easier to take on it's easier to take on and off. So, yeah, let's do a demo of switching these. So you can take that off. You just pull the little orange tabs. Does that? Pops right off. And then let's put the new one on. That's their new VR chest expander. Just snap it back on like that. Try not to grab it by the light seal, because otherwise it just falls. You snap that end on, and bam. There's that version. 69% completed. We'll get there. And then, yeah, this is just the other end of it. The other type. Compile dev, you missed the entire section that you wanted to see, which was me eating something while having the headset on. I ate some olives and everybody made fun of me for eating olives. He already reached and defaulted the final boss in Endless Hurdles. I have not been able to get more than one jump in Endless Hurdles. I have gotten to 1. That's my high score in Endless Hurdles for Vision Pro. If Compile Dev is okay with it, I'll show some Compile or some Endless Hurdles gameplay on stream. You want me to play some Endless Hurdles while we're waiting, Compile Dev? Go for it. All right, let's do that while we're waiting. Take the hat back off because that doesn't work. Oh, gotta take the glasses off too. Okay. So we're gonna go into here. Oh yeah, it's incompatible apps because it's not a native Vision Pro app, but there's Endless Hurdles right there. All right, here we go. Let's pull it a little bit more forward. So the main problem that I have with it, and this is, I think, a problem of SpriteKit, not a problem of anything that Compile Dev did, is these buttons don't, oops, they're not actual buttons. And so, hold on, crap. And now I'm having trouble just moving it. Come on. Why is it there? There we go. Okay. So because they're not actual buttons, they're like SwiftUI elements. They don't get any highlight, so I can't tell what I'm looking at. I can kind of just guess that, like, oh, vaguely over here, and I've got that. Now the other problem is because I need to be looking at the button. I need to look at the button. Like that's how you interact with buttons. I need to be looking at the button when I click jump, and so especially with the default settings, which is right-handed mode, I have to like look over here while getting the boy to jump, and I have no idea where I'm going. Like, oh, I did. Oh no, I didn't do it. I was like to say, did I actually get it? Hey, I did it. No, yeah, I can't do that. I did a little bit better when it was on the left, because that's at least like right under their feet. Yeah, there we go. Hey, look at that. 3. We're really cooking now. Oh, see, now I couldn't see that was... couldn't see where it was. So you're like finger clenching. Yeah, I go like this. And so let's try it again. I'll try playing it with my hands more visible. No, I'm not looking enough at the button. There we go. Oh, didn't do it early enough. So now the other thing that I think I could do, I think if I pull it close enough to me, I can actually just touch it. So maybe that'll work better. Ooh, that's way easier. Oh, now I'm really gonna defeat this. Boom, look at that. Score 4? Look at me go. So maybe this is the more appropriate way to do this one. Alright, I'm gonna get to 10 and then I'm gonna give up. Or We're just gonna let him run into this one.
Ouch.
So yeah, I mean that does work better. There we go. We got all of these. Yeah. So yeah, that actually does work. But if I'm trying to play it further away, I don't think it's difficult because of the controls. All right, let's see if we're done mirroring it or done with the app yet. What's your high score on Vision Pro? It is 10. You just saw it happen. On iPhone, it's like 100 something, but you can actually follow that because it's larger. Nice. Okay, so this is actually running now. Okay, cool. I think that means I'm going to put the headset right back on. Hubris. Yes, exactly. You hit 90 and then forgot where the jump button was after the break. Oh no. I mean, with the Godot version, you should have controller support, right? So I can just have an external controller and be playing it that way. All right. Yeah, I guess let's put this right back on and try building for it. Godot has controller support. Nice. All right, let's yeah, let's try getting this building and see what that looks like. This is going to be really tricky to do. Hold on. Because when I'm mirroring, I can't see the iPad or the Mac. Even if I don't turn the screen all the way off, I can't see the Mac. Because it literally just takes over everything. So I think I can build and run, but then I just have to describe what I'm seeing. That's not really all that fun, is it? Let's see what we get. I can't read at all what you're saying. Technically, I'm lazy just by not putting controller in Spike Kit. I mean, yeah, but yeah, you are lazy. No, I mean, we saw how difficult that was for NZ. So, I mean, that's because you gotta be able to have with controller. You gotta have like a selected button state too. I don't know. All right, let's try running this. I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna do. We'll find out. Apple didn't think of the person who is developing and streaming at the same time. How dare they? All right, let's get this all closed up. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna try building and running, and we'll see what happens. And then maybe we... Yeah, I don't actually know what the best way to approach this is. I don't have this device provisioned. Imagine that. The P key on your MacBook Pro is starting to crap out. Oh, that sucks. Nice. I get it. Compile dev. Here. I'm gonna eat some olives. Did I actually just drop one? I think I might have dropped one. Like, look at this. I'm great at eating while I've got the Vision Pro on, and I think I actually dropped an olive on me. Yeah. Okay, so let's go register a provisioning profile. Ooh, how are we gonna do this? Because I do all of my provisioning profiles through Fastlane. Fastlane doesn't know anything about visionOS. That could be bad. How do I register this device? Let's just automatically manage signing for now. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's turn on automatic for now. Team, Cocotype LLC. Device not registered to your account. Register device. Alright, that should be good enough to get started. Less impressive helmet. Yeah, I need like a full helmet mask to this. But it all just goes in one thing. Okay, well, we have this working. I don't know what to do next. I can say, yes, it built and it is running. What can I do to prove this? Like, I'm having trouble arranging it so that I can see both the iPad and my, or sorry, both the Mac and my thing. Pinch to jump. There we go. Oh, I would name a variable to KNH2 from like a couple streams ago. What was that? That was Jeff in a bar. That's what it was. Okay, let's find something. I think we have that one breakpoint in the gallery view, right? No, I guess we deleted it. Oh yeah, print store directory URL. Yeah, here. So let's turn that on. Let's turn all of our breakpoints back on. And then what we should do is if I go to the gallery here, it like froze. Hey, thanks for the follow, Ash Alex. It froze, but not in a good way. Not in the way that we want it to. We want it to hit this breakpoint. Okay, we're gonna kill it. Oh, there we go. It got back in line eventually. So let's open that. And that should have printed something. Maybe not. Oh yeah, here it is. All the way back there. So yeah, this is actually running. Let's turn off the bit that automatically continues, and then let's try that again. Yeah, this definitely runs slower than native. It's like it's communicating with the, oh, it's probably logging a bunch of stuff. And so that, okay. Oh, I don't know how we ended up here. Oh, every time we hit stored documents. Okay, that's why it's hitting that breakpoint. So yeah, let's do that. I got a messages notification. I'm glad I'm not sharing my screen right now. Yeah, definitely, like whenever it hits a breakpoint, it's just like frozen for a second, and then I'm guessing it's gonna show up in Xcode over here. Yeah, there we go. So it takes a bit to connect because of the wireless debugging, but yeah. Are we gonna be torturing you in AR this April? I think it's gonna be sooner than April. I think you might be torturing me in AR in February. Like I said, I want to try to get chat into here so that I can read it a little bit more easily while I'm using this. So maybe. What I mean, why not try working on that now? Let's figure that out. So yeah, we've proven that we can get Xcode working. Everybody get in here. Everybody get into my eyes. All right. Let's try. Come on. Close. I want to redeem that flashes my message across the front of the display. Yeah, no, that would be cool. But yeah, unfortunately not. I can't even figure out how to make eyesight work. I think it might be the case that eyesight only happens. It still does that, Mono. I think eyesight might only show up if somebody's physically in the room with me. So if you all ever see eyesight pop up, tell me immediately, because that means somebody's coming at me. 500 crash reports to render him completely blind for 1 minute. Yeah, I think that the eyesight stuff only appears if somebody else is in the room. If it detects like another person. Which is, yeah, definitely weird. Not even a cat. No, not even a cat. I mean, we can find out. I can go get a cat and we can see what happens, but I was definitely try looking at a picture of someone. I can find out. I'm trying to think of like where I'm gonna get a decent picture of somebody on the internet. Like a nice large photo or something. This picture does not exist.com. I knew that there's like this person does not exist, but I thought that that had gone away. Oh, it does. Okay. What if I send you a life-size cardboard cutout? Did that do anything? I can't tell because if I look off the side, does it see anything? I guess, hang on. The other thing that I need to try is like, what if I do, did that do anything? Now I really can't tell what's going on. Did that at least put up the like blue filter? I'm asking questions knowing that I cannot see the answer. I'm just going to sit here and wait and y'all can stare at me for a minute and then eventually I'll wind back out and you know, decide what you've said. So right now you should be seeing something blue if you're seeing anything at all. And then I'm going to come back. And it says $3,500 and if you don't have friends, you don't get that functionality. Yep. What if you hold up a mirror? Yeah, no, I don't think that's going to work. Not even the blue. Nope, nope, nothing. Okay, yeah. So I'll have to try it out for the first time when I go to the office with it. I think that's just going to have to be what I do. This is a little bit tight right now. There we go. Okay. I think I fixed it. Okay. And we just stared at the AI generated person for a minute. Move Vision Pro slightly up. But that was the entire point. I just moved it down because I didn't like the way that it was. It was too high up. All right. Okay, let's try to get Twitch chat working in here. Maybe. No, somebody killed Xcode. I was like, why didn't Xcode switch right back? Because Mono killed it. Compile dev, I don't know if I answered your question earlier. Does it work while charging? Yes, it does. I am, in fact, currently doing that, but the battery wasn't dead to begin with. So, but yeah, it does full pass-through of power. Let me see if I can pull the battery up. Yeah, this thing is huge. I did not expect that this was this big. All right, let's meanwhile, Mocha's raiding the kitchen, probably. Let's do a new project. And we're gonna call this Vision Chat. Okay, I need to take this off while we start at least. I can't see well enough. Just open my glasses onto my finger. The red mark of day one. Oh, is it red? Yeah, it's red again. Yep, that happens. Can't you just open the chat in the browser in the headset? I guess, yeah, that would work. But that's no fun when we could build our own app. I also just realized I created an iOS app as opposed to a Vision Pro app. That would help. Let's start over. See, this is what happens when I can't read anything. Or a skier. New project again, but this time let's do a Vision Pro app. React Native Vision Pro win? I mean, I assume that that already exists, right? No immersive spaces. I mean, it would be great to eventually have an immersive space so that you really can just torture me. But I think that we're going to start with just chat, just a regular chat window. What about people that wear makeup? Yeah, no, I have heard that. I don't know. I don't wear makeup, so yeah, that's probably going to get smeared all over the cushion. That's why the replacement cushions are very cheap. Yeah, these little guys. At the store for the demo iPad, they had these like replacement little, I don't know what you'd really call them, like little cloth things around them. So I would imagine that some third party is going to do that. It's just like little cloth covers for the Vision Pro. So that if you got makeup, it does that. Smaller toilet seat covers, basically, yeah. But like with adhesive to them. All right, let's build something here. When you take it to work, you have to say no girls allowed. Show and finder. I'm definitely bringing a bunch of wipes when I take it to work. Get some little wipes to wipe it off with. Vision. Okay, so yeah, the first thing that we need to do is we need to add our little chat client to here. New file, add files to Vision Chat, add package dependencies. I think I just want to drag and drop it though. Maybe we should just add this in here. Because this is already multiple projects. Yeah, we've got this Twitch Alerts XC workspace that already has multiple projects in it. Maybe we just add a new one to this. Yeah, let's just do that. New project. Vision Chat again, but this time we're gonna say that it goes into the same project. Wait, did we? Yeah, Vision Chat. Why am I having so much trouble with this? It's because it's in here. That's why I'm having so much trouble with this. That's still not it. Where is this project? Developer Twitch alerts. Oh, it's directly in developer. Yeah, no, developer Twitch alerts. Where's all the other projects? I don't know. Nobody knows. Oh well, we're gonna put it in here. And now we should be able to link to chat the same way that we do over here. So yeah, this links to Twitch chat. It also links to Twitch chat, AppGet, and Twitch points. So we just need Twitch chat at this point. Twitch chat.framework, yeah. Let's do that. Okay. So what that vends us is that gives us a async sequence. There's no shadow cat on day one. That sounds like somebody's problems. Seems like a simple win. Where do we actually use this? Import Twitch chat. Twitch cat. Chat client, maybe? Yeah. So yeah, so we get a access token. And then we spin off this task and we tell it, hey, every time you get a message, do something. So I think that's all we're going to do. Automod just, it can detect Britishness and ban it immediately. Ready to the EU courts. Okay, so how are we going to do this? I guess what we want to do... Yeah, we want some kind of scroll view, and then we want, what, a lazy VStack? Of Twitch chat messages. Ooh. Where's my Vision Chat project? Do I have to create a new scheme for it? Apparently so. Should have renamed the variable lazy pancake steak. Stack. Stick. No such module Twitch chat. But why? Twitch chat.framework. What's the problem? Embed frameworks. Target dependencies. Do I need to add it as a target dependency? I can't. Do I maybe not build Twitch chat for any platforms other than macOS? There's your problem. Twitch chat macOS needs to build for Apple Vision. Hey, look at that. That works a lot better now. Okay, so I say that, and yet I think actually, yeah, let's go ahead and build and run this preview. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do this yet, is the problem. I need something that has like our array of messages. Ooh, should I use the new observable stuff? That requires like an object, right? I don't know what I need. Maybe let's not do that. There we go. There's our app. Looks just like that. It's great. No notes. All right, let's see what we can do a little bit better than that. What all do we have in our chat message? Not anything. We have our attributed string. this is doing all of our emote rendering, which I don't think we can actually do in Swift UI. Oh, we have a chat message label and we have a chat speaker label. Hang on. Let's, I need to remember what this looks like. Okay, so we've got like a VStack of each one that has our label and then our message. Caught it. So yeah, let's build each of these. Okay, so we need our chat message. I think we need it to take, well, okay, we'll come back to that part. We're gonna just start writing these. Text, compile dev. App just crashed immediately as soon as I typed the words compile dev. And then, yeah, for each of these, let's do a chat message. Sweet. We've nailed it. This is basically all I need to do, and this is what chat looks like. I think actually this needs to be alignment leading. Perfect. Okay. That's all we need. Except you didn't say that. I think you've said that. That's how you introduce yourself every single day. Usually it's followed up with a howdy. So yeah, we need this to import a message. Okay, so in Twitch chat, what do we have? Because a chat bubble takes in, I don't introduce myself, my presence is felt. Fair enough. Ooh, no, this is, we already used something called chat message. So we're going to rename that other one chat message view. Let's do that. Let's have it take in a message. So we're going to take in a let Jeff at the bar, which is from KNH, but when? 4 days ago. So January 29th, 30th, January 30th. Well, we need some kind of empty chat message. Hold on. No, I guess this is going to be, what's our next one? Pinch to jump. At state private var pinch to jump. Punch to jump. That is a very different game. I've been doing a lot of TypeScript. I am a Mac home movie. What? I've been doing a lot of TypeScript at work, so I was like, okay, chat message. Array. Boop boop. Looks like that. Where on earth are these names coming from? So wait, is chat message identifiable? I think it is. Maybe it's not. I don't know. We'll find out. For each pinch to jump. ID / self. Do I need the ID? I mean, if it's self, then it would never work anyway, right? So this would be message in Jeff at the bar message. Requires the chat message conform to identifiable. Boo. Okay. Extension, chat, message. I feel like I've done this before, though. Clearly not. I thought chat message had like a ID to it. What's up, friends? Lots of up. Lots is up. Lots of up. Words no good make. We're working on apps for the Vision Pro now that it's out today. What are we coding? God, what are we coping? I am not coping. Yeah. Oh, I also don't have my stream updated because we're not working on Kineo drawing an animation app. We were wearing the Vision Pro earlier on stream and realized that I can't see chat while I'm in the stream, so, or while I'm got the headset on. So we are working on building a Twitch chat viewer. I would say Twitch chat client, but it can only receive, not send. And we're gonna do that. Solving your own problems, exactly. There, we're gonna update our chat. Early adopter gang. Okay. Could you just use the chat box URL in a browser window? Yes, probably. But there's no fun in that. I mean, here, let's actually find out. Let's go find out real quick. We'll switch back to the headset. Hold on. Native app gang? Yeah, exactly. Native apps are always better. You're a browser app guy? That's okay. We accept everybody. Even Android devs. Never downloaded Slack or Zoom? Well, in Zoom's case, I don't blame you. I loaded up the Mirror My View and it does not see my computer anymore. I can mirror it. Oh crap, I just mirrored it to my TV upstairs. It's like booting up my TV upstairs. No, stop. Now why doesn't it see this computer anymore? We had it working earlier. Have we had it working since we rebooted it into developer mode? Was that pulsing from the headset or was it a reflection? I don't know what pulsing you saw, so I can't answer that question. My guess is that it was a reflection. You think it was the vein in his forehead? Not entirely sure why we're not seeing this anymore. I'm going to turn the Wi-Fi off and back on over here. There we go. Nope. I forgot to turn the brightness down. Hold on. You can get that like infinite mirror effect. Okay, so let's see if we can in fact use Twitch chat in here. I'm having trouble. My microphone's in the way of me typing. Well, this is fun. Where is chat? I actually don't use the logged out view often enough to know where anything is. Somebody tell me where I have to click to go to chat. Click on here. Sidebar. Ah, here we go. In the computer. Now how do I... Can I make this bigger? Well, okay. Strictly speaking, yes. Can I pause this? Come on. No, not mute. There we go. Okay. Yeah, if I could find some way to make this only the Twitch chat, I mean, that would probably be fine. Everyone's clicking that. Coco T2 party. Oh, yeah, okay. Send me a Vision Pro and you'll do it. But yeah, I mean, it's there. I think it would be better to have, I mean, obviously native app, always better, come on. But, especially because then I can get rid of having the actual video there. But, which is just distracting. How many loopbacks do you have set up? A lot. A few. You got a problem with that? You know. A couple. Most of them lead into each other. So, music soft and music loud go into music. Music goes into mix. Microphone also goes into mix. Music source goes into both music. I don't know what this last one is. Other audio. I don't know what that one is. Boosted microphone I used to use, and then I can't even see what that is. Call. I don't know what that is. So I use about 5 of them. All right, let's head back out of here. Oh, you know what would be fun though? Hold on. You know what I haven't done yet is tried to bring my Mac into here. Oops. No. I don't want to look at that machine. There we go. Hey, here we go. I don't know if you all can actually even see this. Hold on. Oh, no signal. Okay. I've made it worse. Okay, so I can't use the Mac and stream that at the same time because it sets up my Mac as the monitor. Okay, how do I get back out of here? If I just close that, does that bring back the signal? Should. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Never mind. That did not work. I was gonna say, can we bring the Mac into here? But as soon as I do that, it cuts off the signal to you all being able to see anything of what we're doing. So, never mind. All right, let's go back to coding. Okay. It is very much brighter out here than in there. Okay, we didn't make a chat message have an identifier. I feel like that's available to us, though. Let's go look at our running thing. Look at this. I mean, message ID is right here. Oh, that's a keep alive, though. Where's somebody said something? Somebody said something about Ready Player One. Oh, none of this is... Okay, hold on. This is from a previous session. Oh, geez. This is just going to be keep alive for forever. Hold on. We're going to have to... We're going to reboot this. Hold on. Because I think we need to pick up a message. Our message has an ID from it. And then I think what we're going to do is we're going to grab that ID. We're going to pass that ID through to chat message. And then that will allow us to make chat message identifiable, which is definitely a thing that we want to do. But where do we actually create any messages? Try message string align. Perfect. This is what we're doing here. So we're going to get that. We're going to grab that. We're going to grab this. And then we're going to try sending a chat message. Here we go. All right. Parts equals part string split separator. So what is our string, first of all? PO string. Hey, Chris Platt. How's it going? Okay, so there's our string. Somewhere in here, there is a ID. ID right here. ID equals blah, blah, blah. So that's what we want. Tags part is if we have a thing there. So we will have a tags first. Then there's a source part. Let's actually just go all the way down to here. Still recovering from COVID? Oh, that sucks. Hope you feel better. I mean, it doesn't suck that you're recovering. It sucks that you have COVID and that you are still recovering. It sucks that you have not yet recovered. Okay, here's our strings. Yeah, this has an ID here. So I think that's what we want. Tags part. Tags. Oh, so we actually have a tags already. So when we create a message from chat message, or sorry, the other way around. If let chat message equals message, chat message message. So we're going to create a chat message here. Yeah, I guess what we care about here is just var ID string. No, var ID string. Actual string, not optional string. And we're going to say that this is tags ID, or it's just a UUID. UUID string. Cannot find UUID in scope. Yep, we need to import foundation for that. So that gives our message an ID. So then when we create a chat message, we can do that. Gives us something. Public let ID. string. That allows us to make this identifiable. And then ID string self.id equals ID. ID is message.id. Okay, so now chat message is identifiable. So now if we go back to Vision Chat, this should build because it's identifiable. Boop, boop. Perfect. All right. Let's continue this, and then let's get rid of that. We'll get all of our messages at once. All right. So yeah, now that we've got that, for every message that we have in here, we can display a message view. All right, let's go create a dummy message for ourselves. We need to give it a bunch of information. Okay, here we go. ID. UUID. UUID string. Channel. Coca type. Emotes. No emotes. Sender. Curse plat. Sender color. It's vaguely orangey. Let's call it DD. DD 00. I don't know. That should be vaguely orangey, right? If you know the exact hex code, I'll do that. Text. Moshi Moshi. Sender is subscriber. Sure. Okay, so there's our sample message. Let's go ahead and create a preview content view with pinch to jump. Argument passed to call that takes no arguments. Well, maybe it should. I feel like we should be seeing something. Oh, there it goes. No? Still not? I feel like we should be seeing one message here. Let's just go ahead and run this in the simulator. Oh, well, this is definitely not going to do anything. Hold on. I'm hoping it's not trying to run this on the actual Apple Vision Pro. I think I just realized something. Dumb. Maybe not. Yeah, why aren't we seeing anything here? It seems suspicious. Yeah, I feel like we should be seeing something. Okay, so that got something to show up. Our for each doesn't have anything? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, now it's working. So now let's bring that back. There we go. Okay. I can't write code right, apparently. Okay, so we need to make this show the actual text of what we're sending. We have more messages, don't we? We have beep, 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 bummer is the next one. That's going to go into our chat message sender. Let beep, 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 bummer. And then our text is going to be beep, 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 bummer dot sender. There we go. And our body is going to have I am a Mac home movie. Oops. I forgot to actually copy that over. I feel like that's another Mac commercial reference that I actually don't get that one. I don't remember that one. That ad was legendary. I'll have to look it up. I am a Mac home movie. Oh, yeah, I do remember that one. Tom Brady's wife, right? All right, so there's our text there. Okay, so now we should be able to, I think what we want to do next is we want to get First of all, let's put some padding around this. Padding there, okay. I think we want to format some of this. So let's do that. Let's go font weight bold for the sender. Perfect. Is there like a font design? Yep, rounded. We want that on both of these. And then, yeah, let's figure out the color here. So I think we do something with the color. Sender color. If like color string equals that. Else color equals white. But this creates an NS color. So we're going to need to go get a real SwiftUI color. Real color. So we get our color string, and then, yeah, we have an NS color from hex string. How do we do that? Okay, yeah. Let's basically just copy this. Is this... Initializers instructor not marked with convenience. Yes, correct. I think we don't need the 1.0 there. It just works without it. Not marked with convenience. Fair enough. Removing prefix. Copy that in too. That should be enough to get us building. Hex strings digit, go mono or go home. What was that? A string where each character is doubled. Okay. This is why we label all the weird names. Okay, so now we should be able to say return color hex string color string, which actually is not going to work. Guard let color string, comma, let color equals that, else return white, return color. There we go. Okay, so now we can just say foreground color is sender color. That is not at all orange. Let's come up with a better color. DD0, no, not 00. Let's go 44. That's more orange. So let's go a little bit more. DD66. Yeah, that's orange enough. This one should not be bold. Is that not? Oops. Yeah, that looks right. Okay. Message sender not bold, or message sender bold, message body not bold. Okay. Let's see what that looks like in the simulator. Yeah, definitely pre-Brady. There we go. There's our glorious app. I want this to not be that wide when we start it, but yeah. Content view. I guess here is where we need to say like default size. Let's 320 by What was the original iPhone? 320 by 480? Oh, we can do better than that on font size. Title? Title seems like it'd be too big. Yeah, maybe not. There we go. That's nice and legible. I don't want this font weight to be... Let me just do font weight regular. There we go. Okay. Build and run that. See if that looks right on a thing. Perfect. Let's fix up the space a little bit. Perfect. Okay. So now I guess the only thing that we really have left to do... Actually, let's... I just realized that we need this to have a line height limit of 0. Otherwise, very quickly messages are going to be clipped. Okay, we got that. Yeah, now we need to hook up this task. So task... Task.detached. I'm going to need to go grab our OAuth refresher. And apparently our environment variable. We're just going to keep throwing all of these in the same file. Because I'm too lazy to break anything up yet. Just keep going in here. Environment variable goes in here. OAuth refresher and OAuth refresh error. They all go in here. Cocoa type. Ignored chatters, so we need to handle that. We're not going to handle any special messages yet. Let window controller equals that. Okay, so this is not a thing that we need to do anymore. This is just going to be, when we're done with this, we're going to say pinch to jump, append, message. Yeah. And we'll get rid of the ignored chatters for now. The only ignored chatter is Nightbot. So we'll see some Nightbot messages in here that we would not normally see, but that's fine. Failed to build the scheme. What are we still missing? Something way down here. OAuth decoder and OAuth response. Quit unexpectedly. I'm guessing that there's... Oh, because it doesn't have the things. Speaking of ignored chatters, I wonder how Man of Iron is doing. We don't need to summon him. Okay, so the reason why this doesn't work is because we don't have our environment variable set up. So let me do that real quick, which these are secrets, and so we're not going to show those. Run. Yeah. Okay. So I need to go get the ones that I have out of elsewhere. Can I copy all of these at once? That'd be great. I can. Perfect. So now if we run this on the simulator, my hope is that this does in fact run on the simulator. It still has Chris Blatt's message, but if we hit this, look at that. There we go. Okay, so we are realizing something, which is A, this should put the newest ones on the top. B, we need them all to align to the left. C, that's it. I don't know. That was just A and B. But yeah, let's go ahead and say for pinch to jump, reversed. Seems like enough of a solution. And then yeah, this lazy V stack also needs to be alignment leading. Did you get the Apple Vision Pro? I did. I will have it running on this device real quick. Let's do it right now. Hang on. Your jelly. Let's get this running. I think I've got that turned all the way down again. Yeah, that's the reason why we're working on this right now, is we are trying to figure out how to get Twitch chat into Apple Vision Pro. Sorry, I gotta scratch my nose. So let's see what, you know what I just realized? I do not have, I need to run this before I get started. Oh, I ran that on the simulator, didn't I? Oh, we should probably also not always start it with... Yeah, well, for now, let's always start it with Chris Blatt saying Moshi Moshi. That's fun. I think that this is starting it up enough that I can get our mirroring going. I think you all can see that. Yep. Here we go. Here comes our app. Oh, I still got this on. Right. There we go. So here's Twitch chat. Somebody send something. Let's see if it'll show up. Can you see the chat? I can see the chat. It seems like yours doesn't actually have a assigned color. Hello world. Nutter 10 scream. Oh yeah, we're not rendering emotes. Name is white. Let's go. Yeah, it's only gonna get the color if you have a color hard assigned to you. Otherwise, we're gonna need something that's, yeah. If you go into your Twitch account settings, you can actually set a color. And so then that would make it work. Redeem / ban Vision Pro use. Now, I think the worst thing to do would be redeem that you have to use the Vision Pro for 2 hours. Greatest stream on earth. Yeah, see, now Nightbot's gonna take over all y'all because I don't have Nightbot ignored. Are you streaming on a boat? No, I just bobble my head a lot while I talk. I can't hold my head that still. Especially, yeah, as I'm talking, like, it's just bouncing on my eyes just from that. But yeah, no, that's how that is. But yeah, I mean, now if we want to test stuff like Kineo, we can do that. We can have the Twitch chat up at the same time. forward. Every week I try to time out a mod and every week it doesn't work. Can you make a crosshair appear where your eyeballs are pointing? Not that I know of. I don't know where it would be. This is awesome, man. Hey, thank you, ITN Bob. Yeah, no. I mean, I mean, considering how quickly that came together. No, why is this not working? Come on. Scroll. Nutter 10, hello? Yeah. Don't have emotes working. I wonder if we could try to figure out how to get emotes working. But yeah, considering how quickly this came together, like just being able to say like, here's Twitch chat. I can set it over Twitch chat over here. And then yeah, this is the app I've been working on for a couple months. But then yeah, we got this working in a couple hours. It's not bad at all. Oh yeah, can I just reach out and like scroll it that way? Can. Now I just need a way to like just swipe somebody off and it's like, okay, they're banned. Get out of here. But yeah, no, I think that worked pretty well. And this is why folks need to hire you for visionOS development. Yes, exactly. Pato.name/resume. You can come hire me to go and build Twitch chat apps for you. Or much more complicated apps that do drawing. And have a terrible bug that I need to fix, but you know, one step at a time. I don't know why sometimes that just chooses not to work. That's not my bug. That's Apple's bug. Would you consider yourself an artist? I would not. How is Xcode Dev in the AVP? So I tried doing that on stream earlier, and it turns out that that's not a thing that you can do to stream and do Xcode Dev at the same time. Or you can't stream and share your Mac at the same time. Because it cuts off the other HDMI port. And so when I got that working so that I could see it, you all saw a no signal thing. So the answer is I don't know yet. I could try it and tell you, but you would all just see a no signal. You wouldn't actually see it happening. So unfortunately, I don't think that's interesting to watch right now. Can I actually put you guys like down here? That, and then can I like expand it out? Oh yeah, look at that. Twitch chat just kind of sits down here by my keyboard. Oh, come on. It does not like me moving my hands behind the microphone. It's like I have no idea what you're trying to do anymore. Yeah, there we go. How well does the AVP work as an external monitor? Again, still don't know. I haven't tried that one yet. That was the thing that I tried to do, and you all got a no signal. Here, I mean, I can try it. Well, we can answer that question. It's just you're gonna stare at a no signal window for a minute. Oh, you know what I could do? Hold on. A miscellaneous error occurred. I could connect my air, and then maybe I'll be able to see that. This is just my stream setup. No, did it not work? I don't think that worked. Yeah, here you go. I don't know why this is no longer full screen, but yeah, so this is my MacBook Air running Twitch Stream Manager. One screen at, yeah, I think it is 4K. But yeah, it is only one screen. But yeah, here you go. Now do the blend between reality and AR. Just watching the chat of myself doing that. That's your real office. Yep, I'm really just actually sitting on Mount Hood. That's why it sounds like I'm recording in a bathroom. The bathroom is nature. Let's turn this one off. Need to get this so you can watch Godzilla on the moon. One of the first things that I watched, I went and I watched the Battle of Earth on Avengers Endgame. That was pretty sick. Just because Disney Plus has its own immersive modes, so you can be sitting at Avengers Tower watching Avengers Endgame. It's great. They got some pretty cool stuff. As far as I know, I can't show that on stream, so you're just gonna have to trust me that it's pretty cool. How are the 3D movies? It looked pretty nice. It looked cool. How do I tab out of this so that we can stop getting that? Oh, geez. No, nobody wants to look at that. Okay. Here we go. You can look at some issues that I was having with Toast. Yeah. There you go. You can now literally see the MCU fall apart in front of you. Well, not during Endgame. During Endgame, it was being awesome. It was great. Yeah, I haven't watched, any of the Disney Plus series. Come on. Yeah, here, let me see if I can try typing. What's hilarious is, my keyboard is right here, but you can't see the keyboard. But if I start typing, but it looks like my hand's just floating in midair. I also can't find the home row. There's all my keys. Oh god, I can't feel where anything is. Okay, I can't do that. I'm gonna have to figure out how to handle the keys. That just doesn't work. But yeah, I mean, this seems like it's perfectly legible. I can just have a Mac over here. I can have Twitch chat down here. I can have Kineo over here. Yeah, I think this is a totally reasonable way to work. Just a few 100,000 viewers short of all the pre-orders. Yeah, it's fine. Can I make Twitch chat really big and float it over the lake here? There you go. That's as far out as I can get it. I also have no idea where the microphone is, so I don't know if I'm talking into the microphone or talking into nonsense. Just waiting on a wild Mocha over here in front. The door is closed, so she won't be there. Hang on. Let me. I'll be right back, and let me. Here, I need to turn this back down. I can do the partial thing. I'll be right back, and I'll go get her so that we can do some live, I don't know, watching me pet the cat. Is the view as jumpy around as it is for us? It's not jumpy around. I think that, you're just seeing my head motion, so that's why it looks jumpy, is because you're not following with my brain. Live cat cam, exactly. I'll go grab that, and we'll do that. Oops, that's the wrong button. All right. Here's your, I don't know how the microphone is. Here's your live cat cam. Yeah, come here. There you go. Good boy. Lost chat. Where did the chat app go? Oh, probably I disconnected my headset, and so I don't have it anymore. Hang on, I need to. Let's back out. Chat. No idea where I went. Oh well. We're gonna take this back off so I can read chat again, because I can see that there are things happening, but where the heck is Mocha? Meow, meow, meow. Hope I've been well. Sorry about it. Oh no, not a problem. You do what you need to do. You've been busy working on the box. This guy. Come on. What's not the right OBS scene? What happened? Was there something wrong? I also did not have the microphone up. That's better? Oh, because I had the audio up too high? Yeah, that was... I forgot to turn the audio down. My bad. But yeah, no, I think that that got everything working. I guess... Oh, I know why the app crashed. I know. Yeah. So basically what happened was when I took the headset off, it disconnected from Xcode. When I took the headset off to go get the cat, it disconnected from Xcode. When I tried to launch it again from inside the simulator, it didn't have the environment variables that I needed, so it crashed immediately. I can only launch that app from within the simulator, is basically what happens. The music was louder than me, and no bot to do your noise and text-to-speech. Yeah, sorry. My bad. I don't think I was saying anything important. I was just talking to the cat. And complaining about the fact that I couldn't get the app to launch. Alright, you got anything else? Oh yeah, this is still not running. Okay. Mono wants to hear this. Okay, we're not running on the Vision Pro anymore. Gonna run over here. It was interesting that it wouldn't let me run on the thing. That's all ship it back. No, I think I'll still be doing development on this. Just I don't think that I've got anything else to work on tonight, because I don't think that I'm gonna fix any of the bugs with Kineo tonight. I may do a stream tomorrow before Nutter's stream and try to get out like a 2.0.
Mono NZ says random goat screams Nutter 10 scream.
Nutter 10 scream. Yeah. Yeah, we might try to do a stream tomorrow to fix some of the like day one bugs for Kineo that I've figured out.
Meow, 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 meow.
Fix some of the day one bugs, but I think I also need to spend some more time figuring out what all those bugs are. So I will play a little bit with Kineo tomorrow, and once that's done, yeah, I might stream a little bit tomorrow at some point and you know, show what bugs I do have, and we can work on fixing them. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for me tonight. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for the follows. And thank you for the subscription. Justin something. Kickin' Justin. Justin Kicker. Is that the name? Yeah, Justin Kicker. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, thanks for the stream. Yeah, no, thank you. Thanks for hanging out, as always. Thanks to everybody. And yeah, like I said, I will probably be back tomorrow. If I'm not back tomorrow, I will be back Monday night at 7 p.m. Pacific. And yeah, hope to see you all then. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.